Hi, my name is Dominick, product manager for Can-Am on road, and I have with me today the new Can-Am Spyder RT Sea-to-Sky 2021. We'll be test riding the product today, and since I'll be riding alone, we won't need the top case, so I'll be removing it and putting the rear panel, which comes exclusively with the unit when you buy it. That way we'll have a sportier look for the road. So even without the top case, you can see we have a lot of storage room left on this vehicle. I brought my rain gear and some change of clothes, just in case the temperature turns. You never know in Quebec. All right, so let's go try this baby out. All right, let's get this show on the road. We're really lucky today to be riding the all-new 2021 RT Sea-to-Sky. We're leaving the hometown of BRP, Valcourt, Quebec, where the product is not only made, but imagined. One of the things I really enjoy about the RT in general is the smooth acceleration. Because of the 1330 ACE engine that is strong and reliable, and the semi-automatic 6-speed transmission, you always have a smooth transition when you're accelerating. One of the first things you'll notice while you ride is a shimmering new color, Highland Green with metallic finish. Because of those metallic finishes on the paint, you really see it shimmer in the sunlight. It makes the color pop. I think the design team did something really great with this. The RT Sea-to-Sky is built on the strong foundation laid in 2020 with the new RT. They built on the strong aspect of the design, the comfort, and the convenience. We just did a few turns now, and I gotta say, the ride really handles well in corners. It's smooth all the way through and stable. Makes me feel really relaxed. On top of that, because of the lower seating position and the footboards, I can place my feet exactly where I want them and feel comfortable throughout the entire ride. Now, one aspect you'll really notice is the unique trims and badging that were put on the vehicle. They're titanium in color. You can see right here in the cockpit a small badge with the number 99 on it to commemorate the highway which this vehicle was inspired from. And to complement all this, we have a new 6-spoked wheel that's also machined and titanium colored, which really completes the entire offering of the design aspect of this vehicle. What I'm noticing while I'm riding is this new adaptive foam seat. Now, the RT already is super comfortable to ride with, but I really feel there's a noticeable difference with this new seat. I feel like I can ride for a long time and never get tired. Because of the lower seating, where you're much closer to the road, you feel more relaxed and more in tune with the riding experience. You can see some amazing views here on the countryside of Valcourt, Quebec. The vehicle might be inspired by British Columbia, but it's really at home here. One of the aspects that really makes the entire ride enjoyable is the stability system. It always keeps you safe, and I really don't have to worry about anything else, and I can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. And really, that's the best part. I really do believe this is the most complete package BRP has ever offered. This ends our ride together, but I'm going to keep going for a little while longer. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, press that like button. I'll see you on the road. Ride safe.